Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So today I want to show you the wonders of Google search operators. So if you haven't heard of Google search operators, I will link in this video description this link, and you will be able to read about them. So using them you will be able to get more precise results from Google searches, and these are the methods that I will use to get links which will allow me to search for blog comments on a specific keyword from a niche, broken links maybe, if I can find any broken links and report to the owner so I can replace those broken links with my own links, some contests, conferences, their directories, donations, events, forum, guest posts, opportunities. So this is very big because you can contact the owner of the website that you find using these queries, and you can pitch your guest posts with your backlinks to your own websites to these sites that you get using these queries. And also some infographics, local blogs, manufacturers, professional organizations, resources, roundups. You can also pitch your articles in here and add your own products maybe, and also sponsored posts. If they accept sponsored posts, then they should pop up using these Google search queries. So let me show you an example. I will link this Google spreadsheet in this video's description. You will find this also down, and to use it, simply click on the link from the video's description and click File, Make a Copy. This will make a copy on your own Google Drive, and you will be able to edit this field. So this is what needs to be changed, and here you should add your own keyword from your own niche. For example, let's say I entered here Asus ROG Strix and the space afterwards. Don't forget the space afterwards. So this is a laptop model, and we will get these search queries for Google. So now I can hover my mouse here and click copy, and let's go to Google and make the search. So let's copy it and search for this. For example, this article popped up, and we can see that the 10 comments, in this case in Romanian, it's here. So the 10 comments is there. So let me search also for some, for example, guest posting opportunities. Let's say, so you can select any of the search queries from here. Not sure which will work for you. So let's see. So become a contributor. Here it is. Again, I hope to become a contributor. Okay, so let's try with another one. So here it is, become an author. So if you search become an author, so here it is. This is a blog which I found using this method, which is theoretically talking about laptops, I hope. Yeah, this is some tech blog, and they accept people to become contributors to their blog. You have to contact them by this email address, and you can submit your articles to them about this keyword that you searched. So yeah, these are the guest posting opportunities, and let us check also for sponsored posts. So let's go ahead and copy this, paste it here. So these operators between the quotes will search the exact string which is between them. So the laptop model is found on the site, and also this exact string needs to be found. So here it is, advertise on our site. Using this, I found the mixlaptop.com site, which allows you to advertise on our site. So you might be able to contact them. Okay, so let's search also for this query. Advertise on this site. So this site also has an option to advertise on this site. Okay, so yeah, this is a great method to find these kind of links and using the Google search operators method. So don't forget guys, click the link from this video description. This Google spreadsheet will open up, make a copy on your own Google Drive and edit this orange field with your own niche keyword. Add a space after it, don't forget, and you will get the list of this Google search operators and search queries that you can use to get links and get leads maybe, and get also websites which will provide links to your own sites, backlinks. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, have a nice day. Please subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this content. Bye bye.